Okay, so video problem 2 gives us a pond, and the top is about 200, has a radius of about 200 feet. In the center, the pond is 20 feet deep, and the bottom can be given by the equation y equals 20 times the quantity 0.005x squared minus 1. And it also tells us that in 500 feet cubed of water, one fish has enough food to eat. So first we're going to solve this equation for x, and so we'll divide y by 20 and then add the 1, and then we'll square root it and divide it by 0.005. So then we're going to come over here and we're going to use 20 for our limits of integration. So we'll go from negative 20 to 20, and we'll have, we're just going to plug this into the integral. Then once we take, and we're going to do it squared. So then once we square everything, the top and bottom, it gives you 1 divided by 20y plus 1 over 0.005 squared. Then we'll just take 0.005 squared, and since it's under all this, we'll just divide it into it. So we'll have 1 divided by 2000y plus 1 over 0.005 squared dy. Then when we take that and integrate it, we get 1 over 4000y squared plus 1 over 0.005 squared y on, and we're going to plug in negative 20 to 20. So then when we plug those numbers in, we get 1 over 4020 squared plus 1 over 0.005 squared times 20 squared minus 1 over 4000 times negative 20 plus 1 over 0.005 squared plus times negative 20. Then we're going to come over here and we're going to, this 20 squared over 4000 will give you 1 over 10. 20 squared over 0.005 squared will give you 16 with 6 zeros, and we'll subtract negative 20 over 4000 will give you 1 over 200, and negative 20 over 0.005 squared will give you negative 8 with 5 zeros. So then when you add this side together, you get 16 with 6 zeros, 0.1 minus, then when we add this side together, we get negative 8 with 5 zeros, 0.005, which will give you 168 with 5 zeros, 0.11 feet cubed for how much water is in the pond. So then to find out how many fish can be supported in the pond, we have one fish in a pond with 500 feet cubed, and then we'll times that times our number of cubic feet in our pond of water, and that will give us 33,600.00022 fish in the pond.